Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can assign same deadline to a group in money.com. So as you can see, I have this products group here, and let's say I want to assign same timeline to all of the products. So what you want to do is you want to set the same dates for all of these columns, but unfortunately there is no option uh, to create timeline for all of them at once. So what you would have to do is you would have to set their timeline one by one. So press set dates on the first one. Let's say I want to select date from 6th to 24. Select it and it will be added. Now click on the next one, select the dates, and that's it. So basically you would have to add all of the dates for all the products one by one. And as you can see, I accidentally selected 6. Perfect. So now as you can see, all of my products in this group have the same timeline. So this is how you assign or you add same timeline for all products or all things in a group. So there is no way to add the same timeline using a single button or a single code, but you would have to enter all the timelines manually. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.